What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've been getting a lot of comments lately about the $1 videos that I've been creating on Shiba Inu. Understand that the Shiba Inu videos that I'm creating, it's not about right now. It's not about tomorrow. It's not about next week. It's not about next year. It's about 5 to 10 years from now. So for people saying it can never get to a penny, it can never get to a dollar, I understand where your mindset is, but hear me out. It definitely can make those moves. It can. Not saying that it absolutely will. I'm saying that it can. So, with you understanding the possibility of that happening, understand these words, possibility of that happening, that we can see this grow or our accounts grow to millions of dollars because of the circulating supply that could be burned off. And when things are burned off, you cannot use that. When you see that circulating supply decrease to a certain level, you understand where this can go. You understand the popularity behind it. Connect all of the things together, and you're getting to a level to where this can actually reach a $1 trillion level or 1 trillion supply level or a 500 billion supply level. And what does that mean? That the price can go up and get to a relatively reasonable market cap. And whatever's reasonable now might be way too low in 2 years, in 3 years. Reasonable might be something where it's $300 billion market cap is reasonable. $1 trillion market cap is reasonable. You never really know where this market cap, where the crypto market will go. Right now, it's sitting at $3 trillion or close to it, $2.5 trillion, $2.6 trillion. But what you can also see is that this can definitely shift. While the crypto market in the past was at $2 trillion, $1 trillion, now it's at $3 trillion. You saw it at 4 or close to, breaking over that $3 trillion mark. It could get to 4 to 5 to 6 to 10, right? You never really know exactly where that's going to go. And it's not just going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the way. There's going to be a ton of other coins that are out there that can get to $200 billion, that can get to $400 billion. So for people to say that something cannot happen or will never happen, you're the reason why it probably won't get to that level. If there's so many people that believe that this cannot happen, now, yes, I understand. It's too soon to think about getting Shiba Inu to a market cap of $100 billion or $200 billion right now. But there's a lot more that goes into it. So let's go ahead and break all this down. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little bit frustrated because going through the comments, I see all of the comments. I see every single one, no matter how rude they are, even if they don't display on the actual videos, I see all of the comments. So for some of the people, thank you for the great comments and understanding where I'm coming from. And others, there's 2 words I can say, but I'm not going to say it. Anyways, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links in the description. If you guys have any more questions or any, questions about Shiba Inu that you want to ask me directly, reach out to me on Discord. I respond on Discord. Also, you can sign up for my Patreon, and I post videos on there whenever I have an up and coming coin that I want to talk about or anything like that. Definitely hit up those links. I'm going to be putting limits on some of those, some of the levels. So the Discord level, I think the Discord level probably will still have a decent amount, but then the profit hands level and the expert profit hands level, I'm going to put a limit on the amount that's actually there. So definitely go and check those out while you still can. But we already wasted 4 minutes talking about, I guess, kind of my mindset behind it. But let's take a look at what Shiba Inu actually has to offer here. Right now, it's down about 8%. It's down to about 4,400 after jumping up to that level of, 5,000 or so, right? We did see it in the past at 8,000 before we actually got confirmation that this circulating supply was real. The increased circulating supply was pretty much real. And, seeing that really kind of put a damper on things. People kind of got upset with that, and the fact that it was miscommunicated in a way. But you're seeing the typical hold time, it's going up. It was at 30 days yesterday, it's at 31 days today. Popularity, it's at 10th. So it's obviously still popular. The volume is down. It's down about 62%, 63%, and the market cap is looking at about 24.2 billion. Now, the reason why I say this, now this is just an update of exactly where it is. The reason why I say that it could get to a dollar, understand that I build these spreadsheets, which I will share on the Discord group. If you guys are interested in any of these spreadsheets, I'm going to share them. I'm going to clean them up a little bit and then share them with everybody so everybody knows exactly what the potential could be, and where I do believe that a lot of these will go, whether I'm talking about Doge, Litecoin, Ethereum, SafeMoon, any position we can always add to this and, add it into the Discord. So if you guys want to be a part of that and have this for yourself, feel free to, subscribe to my Patreon and be a part of the Discord group. But what we're looking at here, let me actually go back up at Shiba Inu. What we're looking at here is really just to understand this piece right here. If you're not understanding where I'm coming from when I say that Shiba Inu can get to a dollar, then you're just totally missing the point. Again, this is a 5 to 10 year goal, and it could happen sooner. But 5 to 10 years, I do see that they could do something pretty drastic. Now, in order to see a 20 cent or $1 mark, right? $1 would be a $1 trillion market cap. Can it get to $1 trillion market cap? Yes, it can. That's only if the supply goes down to 1 trillion supply. Currently, we're at 549 trillion supply. That's way too much. If you wanted to see $1 at 549 trillion supply, you would see $549 trillion market cap. It's just way too high. It's way too much. So what we're looking at is we want to see where this can potentially get to at the current supply, which would be 0.0002 or 0.0001, somewhere in between that level. And the reason why I say that it could get to 0.0001 or 0.0002 is here you're looking at a 54.9 billion dollar market cap. Here you're looking at $137 billion market cap. That's around third place right now when it comes to cryptos by market cap. You're looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and whatever other coin is next, which right now is Binance, BNB. What we need to see here is a burn. Now, there are so many methods of burning coins. Right now, the most popular methods of burning coins are sending your cryptocurrency to a black hole wallet, which that black hole wallet, let me see if I can actually bring that up. It's somewhere here, the black hole wallet. There we go. The black hole wallet has 410 trillion. 410 trillion that's in there. It was burned off literally from the beginning. But what we did see was that 255 billion have been burned since that 410 trillion have been, burned. So in between that time and now, in between the time where they burned 410 trillion and now they burned 255 billion, 255.4 billion. All right. That's not enough. That's been basically years, right? A year, a little over a year. So it's been a while. And if you haven't seen the rate that we need to burn it, we need to burn this at a level of 150 billion per day in order to see this level get to $1 trillion by 10 years, right? So it can definitely take a while for that to happen. However, with the lack of popularity, the lack of interest in Shiba Inu, not right now because people are still interested in it, you're going to see something happen to where you're going to gain attention back. And what will gain most people's attention back? A system level burn. I don't know how you would do it. I don't know how they would find a way to implement that. But if you can burn off 50% of Shiba Inu coin in a matter of, a month, that would be fantastic, because then you would look at, instead of 549 trillion, you would be looking at way less, right? And you still have ways to go in order to burn some. But then you would also look, if you're looking 10 years out, you can say, all right, well, this now instead, we're going to look at, take this and divide it by 2. And now we're going to say, let's actually look at this a different way. So take that divided by 2, and let me go back. Trying to do some math here, some quick math. So I did my math already to say by 10 years, but what I want to do is take equals this divided by 2, and I'll get that much. And then now it's saying that we only need to burn off 74 billion per day, which is still a lot, but it's way less than burning off, 150 billion per day. So if we could find a way to implement some sort of system level burn, it could be a lot bigger and you can easily get to $1 or 20 cents, right? And that's what we're shooting for. We're not shooting for something in the billions. It would be great if we can get this price down to 1 billion, or the supply down to 1 trillion, sorry. But it can also be better if we can get this down to obviously like 500 billion. If we get down to 500 billion, then $1 becomes more reasonable in 10 years. So that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. It's not about today. It's not about today, tomorrow, next day, next week, next month, next year. It's not about that. This is a long-term position. And some people ask me, why do I put so much effort into something that you're putting so little money into? I only have $500 into it right now. Why am I putting so much effort or so much effort into something that I'm not investing or going all in on? It's just because as you do have a certain amount and they end up burning off a lot, you end up becoming the whale and you end up becoming the problem. And I don't want to get to the point to where I'm holding 1 billion or holding 5 billion coins. And now I'm sitting there and I'm looking at, I'm holding 5%. And I can impact where this price is actually going just by selling my position. I don't want to have that happen. So I'm holding 9 million. I'm holding 10 million. When this gets to $1, I'm comfortable with selling at 10 million. I'm comfortable with gaining $3 million. But the point is that, can you actually get to that point? Can we find a way to get to that point? Yes, we can, but are we? You know what I mean? But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for putting up with my videos. I know it's tough to understand, but Shiba Inu can definitely get there. It's just a matter of time, and hopefully we can have this system level burn, and we can burn off a massive amount so that so many people can make a lot of money, from this actual position. Not only me, but a lot of other people can make life-changing money and, put it aside for their kids, their family, have generational wealth, whatever. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for listening. I'm sorry for, any of the clickbait titles. I feel like they're necessary because I am talking about Shiba Inu to $1, Shiba Inu to a penny. I'm talking about it and working you through the numbers. But it's for the long haul. Don't get it twisted here. It's not for the short game. It's not. We want to be able to play this out so that people can gain generational wealth. But guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching, for being a part of this community. Again, if you want to be more of a part of the community, sign up for the Discord group and be a part of it. Feel free to chime in whenever you want. If you have any investments, let me know. We can figure out, if it's a great investment or, what's your reasoning for investing in it. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next.